Recording in progress.
Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to work out another problem on Markovi's model. This question was appeared in the year 2011 for 10 marks. Let's work out. The market price of an equity share at the beginning was rupees 100. The following information is available: market condition, proportions, market price at the end, dividend per share. Market condition: good, normal, bad. Proportion: 0.25, 0.50 and 0.25. Market price at the end: 115, 107, 97. Dividend per share: 9, 5 and 3. In this particular problem, you need to work out, find the expected return and return of portfolio. Is nothing but you need to calculate expected return and portfolio return. Okay. See, you need to calculate expected return and return of the portfolio. Here, in this particular question, probability is not given. Proportion is given, but probability is not given. So, and also in this particular question, there is a slight change as far as calculation of expected return. One, see here, market price of the beginning is given and market price at the end is given and dividend per share is given. Okay, so market price at the beginning, market price at the end, and dividend per share is given in a question. Okay, so for that, you need to follow this particular formula to calculate the expected return. RI is equal to price at the end minus price at the beginning plus dividend, all divided by price at the beginning. Is it clear? See, when you get a price at the end, price at the beginning, and dividend per share, you need to follow this particular formula. That is, RI is equal to price at the end minus price at the beginning plus dividend, all divided by price at the beginning. Hope you're clear. Let's work out calculation of expected return. Here, for good, market condition good, see, what about price at the end for good? That is 115 minus price at the beginning, that is 100 for all, right? 100 plus dividend per share, 1 minute, dividend per share, that is 9 for good, right? So price at the end is 115 minus 100 price at the beginning plus 9, that is dividend per share, all divided by 100, that is price at the beginning, into 100. So answer is 24. Hope you clear. Let's work out for second one, that is for normal. See, normal. Here, what about the price at the end? 107 minus 100. 1 minute. For all market condition, price at the beginning is same. Okay, that is 100. Next, plus 5 dividend per share, that is 5. Okay, clear. All divided by 100, that is price at the beginning, into 100. So answer is 12. Okay, clear. Then third market condition, that is bad. Here, market at the end is 97. Market at the beginning is 100 as usual, plus price, so dividend per share is 3, right? Then all divided by 100 into 100. So answer is 0. Okay, clear. This is about expected return. Next, you need to work out, that is the return of the portfolio. RP is equal to the formula R bar A into XA plus R bar B into XB plus R bar C into XC, because here 3 market conditions. Clear? Good, normal and bad. Clear? So R bar A is nothing but expected return of good, that is 24. Then proportion, that is 0.25. See, good proportion, that is good proportion, that is 0.25. R bar B, that is nothing but expected return of normal, that is 12. Okay, clear? 12. Then into proportion, that is 0.50. 0.50. Then R bar, 1 minute. I erase all those things. Okay. See, R bar B, that is 12. That is nothing but expected return of normal into proportion of normal, that is 0.50. Then R bar C, that is nothing but 0 into 0.25, that is proportion of bad, that is 0.25. So after calculating, you get the answer 12, that is return of portfolio or portfolio return. Hope you're clear. I just repeat, when you get market price at the end and market price at the beginning and the dividend per share, you need to follow this particular formula to calculate expected return. That is nothing but price at the end minus price at the beginning plus dividend, all divided by price at the beginning. Okay, clear? So in this particular question, three market conditions are there: good, normal, and bad. Okay, let's calculate for good. That is 150 is the price at the end, 100 is the price at the beginning, 9 is the dividend per share, all divided by price at the beginning, that is 100 into 100, answer is 24. Like that, calculate for normal and bad. Then you need to calculate for return of, you have to calculate the return of the portfolio. Here, there are three market conditions. So for that, formula is R bar A into XA plus R bar B into XB plus R bar C into XC. Okay, clear? Then these are the expected return 24, 12, and 0. Then you need to multiply with the proportions, that is 0.25, 0.50, and 0.25. Answer is 12. That is return of the portfolio. It may come for 10 marks. Important one. In case of any doubts, you can contact me. Thank you.